Hello everyone and welcome to another video related to Agile and Scrum. In this video, we will talk about what is Scrum, transparency in Scrum, software development and dealing with Scrum team members spread over multiple locations. If those topics are interesting to you, stay with me until the end of the video. My name is Dejan. I post short and reliable content about Scrum and Agile to help you learn, grow, do more and become more. So a small thing that you can do to help us reach more people, you just hit that like button real quick and be sure to subscribe. Let's get into it. So what is Scrum? Scrum is a very simple set of practices that together produce a high degree of transparency, showing us the reality of our situation more clearly. Scrum is about learning fast and building what matters most now, indefinitely. Scrum creates transparency around what we do in 1 to 4 weeks. Transparency in Scrum enables us to see the quality and rightness of what we produced and the quantity we were able to finish. Scrum confronts us with the effectiveness of our practices, including the patterns of dysfunction and mistakes we are making. But most importantly, Scrum allows us to use these insights to improve in the next sprint. Scrum is great at clearly showing us all dysfunctions and inefficiencies we are experiencing, and distributed Scrum teams tend to have lots of those. Now let's talk about software development. Software development is an activity of taking the product of human thought and logically reasoning and making it repeatable in the form of code. For a team to develop a software, their ability to communicate their thoughts through a shared understanding and collaboration and communication is the key driver of output. But what if the Scrum team members are spread over multiple locations? It's challenging because of several separation forms, like physical separation, time zone separation, culture and language separation, and difficulties that comes with the language and cultural barriers. So the first sprint that multi-location team completes is likely going to be this function show, and the conclusion is likely going to be this just is not working. And that realization is a critical first step of the path to success. So the next step is to list everything that did not work well and create actions in the next sprint to make the work better. Now let me give you one example. Let's say that this is the first sprint, the product increment didn't meet the definition of done. In the sprint retrospective, the Scrum team identifies the major root causes, for example, lack of clear communication, or understanding or not understanding sprint goal, lack of communication within the team, lack of coordination or lack of trust among the team members. So will Scrum magically make every distributed Scrum team effective? No. No Agile or non-Agile methodology has this ability, although some make that promise. So please reject the idea of methodology-based path to success. Instead, Scrum is a simple framework built around inspection and adaptation that creates continuous transparency around the unique environment of a given situation while creating the opportunity for improvement. The only question is how much bold action the team is willing and able to embrace. Thank you for watching. For more information on how to start your Scrum journey, check the first link in description.